Hi everyone. So in our previous class, we have discussed how we can do post the contact details and how it can be stored in the database and all right. So today let's and also we have created like admin login page and also admin header and how it can be redirects to admin login to admin home. We have completed all those things. So today let me continue the class let me discuss. We have posted the contact details so we I want to see like view contacts. Okay, so that can be I want to get the data. Okay, so for that purpose, we have already know how to get the data and all in the previous classes, in the first classes, right? So today let's discuss how we'll get the data and how we'll do the customer registrations, login and all. Okay, so let me share this screen first. So here, this is our So this is our admin login, right? And customer contact and all. So here we have also posted some data which can be stored in the database, right? So where here, this is our contact table, and here we have we have stored the some details in the database. So what I want to do is now I want to get this data in the website to the website. Okay, so for that purpose, what we'll do is we should write the views, URLs, and HTML, like few contacts that can be visible in the uh, website. Okay, so for that purpose, how we'll do, let's see. Okay, so for that purpose, first of all, what we'll do means we should create a HTML file like view contacts. View contact. Okay, so So in view contacts, I have created one HTML, right? So before going to write the code in the contact HTML page, so let me write the logic in the views. Okay. So first, what we'll write means def view contact, right? Our HTML name view contact request. So I want to get the data. So first what we'll do, I'm taking one variable and we have the table name has contact right in the models. So take that contact table, objects. I'm taking all the data. Okay. So next what I'm going to do is like return and next. our HTML name, that is view contact. Store the variable in the key values, okay, in the dictionary, and take the variable name. So this is how we'll write the code to get the data, right? So before going to views, so we should also write the URLs, right? So for that purpose, what we'll do, we should open URLs and write the URL here. What is our URL means? How we'll write means view contact use dot view contact name equal to view. So this is how we'll write the views and URLs. Next, let's go to the HTML. So here, how we'll write means first of all we should take the entire contact HTML page. Okay, so paste here. So here, whatever we can do here. Okay, so we have some pages, some changes, right? So do the changes here. Change the contact us to view contact and remove this, and let's write here. So remove all the things here from form to form. So here what I'm doing is I'm taking one table, one head, table head. So we have also seen already this, right? So table head and table row, okay, and take the table head here. So like here we have some header names, right? So in our models we have these are all headers, right? So take these headings, okay? So first heading is F name, full name, right? We should write it means this content. Full name we have, L name, last name also we have, I think so. Yes, last name, still email subject message we have. Email subject message. Okay, this is how we'll write the headings. Okay, so to get the data, what we'll do means let's open the table body. So here we have used you have if we want to get all the data, we should use the for loop here. So how we'll do means for so before going to get the data, what we'll do means first of all take the table row, okay, and table data. So to get the name, we should take one. We should open the curly brackets and we should write. We should get the data by some name key value. Okay. So here I'm taking x dot name and x dot l name, x dot email, x dot subject, and next x dot message. Okay. So here, whatever we use this key value, we should use here. So if we want to get all the data, we'll use the for loop here. Okay. So while writing the for loop, so I'm writing like this. So here we should use whatever we take here. We should use this here in contact. Okay. So whenever we use for loop, we should close here. Without the closing the for loop, we'll get error. Okay. So this is how we'll write in HTML. So next what we should do, we should keep this view context in our admin header. So include here admin header. Okay. So next give this link in the admin header, view context. So how we'll do with this same asterisk and change here view contact. So let us see now. So this is our admin, and what is our admin email and password? Admin@gmail.com and password is 123. So so here we have like send message, right, in admin login. So go to here, mm, and you can change here send message to login. Okay. So email is admin@gmail.com and password is 123. So login. In admin header, we should change here view contacts. Okay, let's run again. See here we got the view contact and also we got template does not exit view contact. So somewhere we done mistake. So let me see. Here we should keep dot HTML, right? So we got error and run the server. And also we have got an error for end for. So let me see. And let's run again the server. We just got only like only the headings, right? We didn't get the data. So to get the data, what we'll do, let's see. So here we can do view contacts HTML like this. So before going to the HTML page, let's write let's complete this view contact logic. Okay. So we have already views and URLs, right? So let's check with this. Here only we got the headings. So to get the data, what we'll do means, let's see, okay? So first, before going to this, let's check with the models what we have. So we have F name, right? Yes, F name we have, last name we have, email message, email subject and message we have. Okay. So you just remove all the thing. Okay. Here what we should do means first in that place of title I'm taking like view content. Okay. So in the body I'm taking like table head first, table row next. First whatever we have headings we should take. First we have full name, right? Full name we have last name, message, email, subject, message. Email, subject, and message. So to write the headings, we should write like this, okay? And close the TR here. Already closed, right? Table head. Next, we'll write the for loop here. For X in contact, okay? And so up to this, we'll get the we'll get the headings only. So to get the data, what we'll do, let's see, okay? So first, let's run the server. Just wait a second. Just remove this. Here we got only headings, right? So to get the data, what we'll do? So let's write the for loop here because I want to get the multiple data, right? So for that purpose, I'm taking for loop here. So for here we should use one key value like X in contact. Okay. So here I am taking like for loop because to get the multiple data. So next what we'll do means first let's write tr here, take the table row and table data. Okay. And here to get the data, okay, to get the data from the database, we should write with curly brackets, okay, and we should also keep whatever we keep here, we write this key value, we should take here and get the data. Okay. So here in our models we have written like small letters, right? So like this way only we should write here. Okay. So we can't write capital letters and all. Okay. So here whatever we can take, it's our wish, but here we can't write like this. Okay. Whatever we are taking here, likewise we should take here. Okay. So I'm taking X dot full name and next what we have last name. Okay. Last name, email dot email, subject and message. So this is how we'll write to get the data. And next what we'll do, we just close the table row and next, we have to write like we have to close the end loop, okay, for loop. So we'll write like this. And next, close the body. So let's check how we'll get. So here for table border, we will use like a table. Okay. So just write table border equal to 1. And I'm taking cell padding equal to 1. Cell spacing equal to 0. Just close it. We are not getting, let's see. Okay, once we'll check with the contact HTML. Okay, just a minute. Please wait a minute. Okay, here we done one mistake like in the variable, like we have to object is to object, right? So here what the key value we took, in this key value the data will be stored. Okay, so place this key value in a for loop like here. So for x in object. Okay, so let's see we'll get or not. See, we got the all the data. So for this, what we should do means let's add our page from entire page means from here to here. Next, what we'll do in place of contact us, let's write view contacts. Okay. remove this. And next, what we'll do means you just include all these things, okay, from footer. Let's run the server. No. So just leave it like this. Tomorrow I'll explain, means how we'll see exact divs and all. So we have got the data which is present in the database. So like this way we'll get the data from the database. Okay, so this is how we'll write the view contacts. Okay, so tomorrow let me explain like how we'll do the registration and how we'll do login pages and all. So before going to tomorrow's class, let's discuss today like how we'll um, write the form and all. Okay, so I'm going to do the customer login first. So how we'll do customer login? First of all, we should take one HTML page and name as customer login. Okay, and okay, so this is how we'll write the we'll place the name as this. Okay, so next what I'm doing is I want the data, like I want the input fields in this page, like email and password boxes. So copy paste the contact HTML in this page, or else we can also copy paste the exact admin login page to the contact login page. Okay, so let's copy this exactly same as admin login. And here, what you do means remove the admin login and place the customer login. So this is how we'll write exactly as the admin login HTML page. So, but here we should write an anchor tag. Okay, so we should use one anchor tag here. How we'll write means I'm taking Angular tag HREF. So before going to write this, what should we do means we should take another page like register. Okay, so customer register. So in this customer register, what we should do means let's take the same contact. Let's copy paste this and paste here. Here I want to give, so before going to log in the customer, first of all, the customer can register, right? So before going to log in, we should give some fields in the registration page. So for that purpose, what we'll do means, let's write the URLs uh, and also models. Okay, first let's write the model. Okay, here what I'm doing means I'm taking class, so customer, naming the table name as customer, models dot model. Here I'm taking some fields like name. In registration pages, what we'll have a name, email, and all, right. So like that, we'll take some fields. Okay. So for name, we'll use the char field, right? So if we take char field, the max length is compulsory. So take the max length as 100 and next take email models dot email field you can take. Next mobile models dot big integer field address text field you can take city models dot char field take the max length also. Pin code you can take like models dot char field max length 100 and take. So after writing this, to keep the table name, we use class meta. DB table name as customer. So after writing the models, what we'll do? We'll do the two commands. We'll run the two commands, right? So one is Python manage .py make migrations, and another one is Python manage .py migrate. So this is how we'll run the two commands. So that the customer table has created. See, so model has created, and next what we'll do means we should take. We have created the HTML page, right? So here we should take our fields. Okay. So how we'll take? We have the name first. We have took the model name first, right? So name text ID name. Next, what we have, like we have the email. Take the ID as email, name as email, and write on the fields, whatever we wrote in the models. So next what we took the mobile. Address. So whatever we have given in the models fields that should be written here. And next what we took city, city and pin code, right? And next we should write the pin code. So this is how we'll write the code, okay, HTML page. And here I'm taking like register button. So this is how we'll write the models and also HTML page for registration. Okay. So tomorrow let's discuss like how we'll do the entire customer login and registration page. Okay. So then thank you.